Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to do your front rotors on a Hyundai Santa Fe. So you want to go ahead and take the wheel off. It's going to be 21 millimeter to take the wheel off. And also guys, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe. Help me help you. It might be your next car that I'm working on or a problem that I'm fixing. Alright, what I'm going to do is go ahead and remove these two right here and spray WD-40 in it, and also turn the steering wheel to turn where the caliper gonna face outwards towards you. All right, put this in, tuck it a little bit. So this is what I use to take it out. You put this on it, you twist it, the pressure on it, and you get a hammer and knock here, and it should take them loose. All right. Alright, so now I got that to face that way. So now what I'm gonna do is go behind there and take out that the 17 millimeter right here, and another one down here. Alright. Changing the brakes, you gotta get a little lube up in there. Put some WD-40. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead now and take off these 17 millimeter right here. I like to take out the bottom one first because sometimes the top one gets stuck on the bolt for the strut, for the bolt for the strut. So I take out that one. Alright, this is what I'm talking about. Alright, this is what I'm talking about. If you're using a silver socket, sometimes it might get stuck there, but that's nothing. As soon as I hit here with a hammer, get this all shaking, then I can take that out with these. Alright, so you want to squeeze in your caliper, so get a C-clamp or whatever method you use. Alright, and these C-clamps are very cheap at AutoZone or Dent. Get that there. Alright, alright, so that's done right there. Go ahead and take it off. I'll go ahead and knock here. Alright, so now I got the rotor to shake, to move now. Now I can take this out with these. Alright, I can hold right here and take off this right here. Alright, so it's really easy. Alright, so go ahead now and support your caliper. Alright. Get the bolts in, get the socket joint. Alright, there you go. Be careful not to drop it like I do, but I kept it, so it's good. Take off the rotor. That's it right there. So you just want to clean the rotor a little bit. Just get the oil they put on it so your brakes don't smoke. They put oil on it for it not to get rust during storage. Alright, now it's time to put it on. So now what you want to do is put this right here. Make sure you line up the hole where you can put back your screws. these are just to hold the rotors in place. So what I normally do is use my hand, tighten them as much as I can with my hand. I don't put anything else on it because the older the vehicle is, the harder it is to take off. So make it easy for the next person or even me. I have to do it again. You never know, you know? Alright, that's it right there. Time to get your caliper down and put on your caliper, alright? Make sure you don't twist the hose, make sure the hose is straight. Don't bend or anything, alright? Get back your 17mm back here. Top and bottom. 17mm. Now, so I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that 17mm up right now, alright? Alright, so now I'm gonna tighten the 17mm. Go ahead and catch the properly. And then tighten that, alright? Break my tool right there, got a snap on, so got covered, alright? Right here gonna be 14mm. Go ahead and take that off right there. Lift this up and bring it over like that, alright? Be careful because sometimes this might come down on your finger, you never know. So go ahead and take the pads out. Comes out. And also you want to go ahead and clean your brake auto, alright? And you want to go ahead and check in here if you have grease. You want to check it for both of them, the top one up here and this one on there, and had grease if you don't have any grease. Alright, add a little bit of grease. That's it. Because it stays on the surface. And you do the same thing for the top, alright? Alright. Clean it good and scrape it if you need to scrape it, and clean it properly, alright? When I say scrape, I mean just to get it back as screwdriver and clean off any build-up you have up there, alright? Both sides over here, down there too, alright? Alright, let it dry for a little bit and put in your pad, alright? Alright, so you want to go ahead and put in your pad. And the pad with the wear indicator goes to the back, alright? This one goes right here to the front. Bring this down. Alright. So you want to get your 14mm. Pop that back in, alright? Time to straighten the wheel. Straighten. Time to put on your wheel now. Pump your brakes up. that's it, guys. That's how you complete your brakes job. Now it's time to pump the brakes up. Please go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Thank you. See you next time. All right.